So then guys, can you believe it? In around about 4 months from now, we're going to be getting the brand new next generation Apple Watch Series 11 coming along, and it's probably going to come out around the same time as the new iPhone 17s. So like I said, that's going to be around kind of mid-September time. But a lot of you guys are wondering, what kind of upgrades are we going to get with the Apple Watch Series 11? Well, I'm going to tell you about all the leaks that we've heard about, but what I would be saying right now is with the Apple Watch Series 10, in Apple's eyes, it seems like the Apple Watch Series 10 was a significant upgrade, especially in its main design. With the Series 10, we actually got the new watch, which is now 10% thinner, and also the display is far larger than we had before. In fact, we now have an edge-to-edge display with hardly any bezel around it, and also if you go for the larger sort of display or the larger face of the Apple Watch, it's actually slightly larger than what we have with the Apple Watch Ultra, because obviously the Ultra has that bezel still around it. Obviously, we got some other sort of significant kind of upgrades and new chips and things like this put inside the Apple Watch Series 10, but really it was the actual design that was the biggest change that we got with it back in 2024. So with this, what I would be saying, if you're thinking we're going to get another new design in the Apple Watch Series 11, it's very unlikely. The design we got with the Series 10 is going to be sticking around for a good number of years to come. But this doesn't mean though that other kind of upgrades are going to actually happen on the inside of the Apple Watch. We've been hearing lots of leaks and rumors coming out for this. And first of all, we've heard that we're going to be getting a brand new chip put inside the Apple Watch Series 11, and this is going to be the S11 chip. Now the S11 chip, we're expecting it to be only slightly faster than what we got with the S10 chip, but obviously it's going to open gateways to other capabilities in it, and obviously giving you guys obviously better longevity with the Apple Watch Series 11, so you can probably expect to at least get upgrades and updates for at least the next 5 years after it comes out. But then for the second upgrade, what kind of goes along with this S11 is that we've been told that the new kind of modems that Apple introduced, like on the iPhone 16e, well, it looks like they're going to redefine the modems inside their Apple Watches as well. We could actually be seeing a brand new 4G chip and also a new 5G antenna chip. Maybe it won't be the Apple Watch Series 11 running at 5G kind of speeds that we get on our phone, but it would be able to jump onto the 5G network, as you can see from this leak that we've had right here. So this means that connectivity will be even better for when you're out and about and doing cellular kind of calls and things like this. The other thing that we've also heard alongside this, there is the possible rumor that we may also get things like the kind of SOS calling ability. You know, this is what's been available, say, since the iPhone 14 kind of models, where you've been able to go out and about in the middle of nowhere and make a phone call, or for example get help from something from, you know, AAA or something else out there, get a helicopter to rescue off a mountain. You get the idea that this also may feature inside the Apple Watch Series 11 going forward with this new modem. And then for the third big upgrade we've heard for the Apple Watch Series 11 is that we could be getting a new kind of sensor being added, and this would be a blood pressure sensor added inside it. It's also going to go in the Ultra 3, but it will come available in the Series 11. With this blood pressure sensor, obviously it would be able to track you, and it could alert you if your blood pressure is getting extremely high or extremely low. And this obviously makes way, I'd say, and helps for like future cases with like blood sugar, blood glucose. You know, if you're getting high blood pressure and your glucose is interfering with that, you can see how they can be linked together in the future. But what I would be saying with that, you are not going to get a new glucose sensor added to the Apple Watch Series 11 this year. So any diabetes kind of sensor, glucose monitoring, it doesn't look like it's going to be coming around this year, but you know, in the few years to come, it does look like it will be coming available inside of an Apple Watch. But way before any kind of glucose sensor, or even say the Apple Watch Series 11, something else that's going to be happening is the giveaway that we're doing on this channel, and it is for this right here. This here is a MacBook Air. It's in sky blue and it's a 13.6-inch model, and I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky subscriber on this channel at the end of June 2025. And the great thing is you can still enter into this giveaway right now. All you have to do at this stage at the moment is you just need to put down in the comments below of what technology gear you're hoping to get in 2025. Maybe it is going to be a new MacBook Air. Maybe it's going to be a new Apple Watch Series 11 or the Ultra 3. Maybe it's going to be something completely different like a Nintendo Switch 2. Well, whatever it's going to be, just put it down into the comments below right now. Now, the other part of the giveaway is going to be happening near the end of June time, where I'll be announcing who the winner is for this MacBook Air, and also I'll be making a video giving you more details about the actual giveaway in general, including like a form to fill in and things like that around that time, and obviously giving you all the details about everything. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss out on that video to get all of those details. Now, the other thing I'm going to quickly say about this MacBook Air itself, it's no ordinary cheap version of it or the bin down version. This here has the full fat M4 inside of it. In fact, it's got the 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and it's also been upgraded to 24 gigabytes of RAM instead of 16. It's also got 512 gigabytes of storage instead of 256 gigabytes. And like I said, you have the potential that you could win this MacBook Air right here. Now, the last thing I just want to quickly say to you, sadly, guys, that there is still lots of scammers and spammers out there. People still impersonating, sending to WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram direct message. Please do ignore these people. Best to see right here. Please do report them. So moving on from this end, there's two other kind of upgrades that look like going to come into the Apple Watch Series 11. And I would also say this next one could come to the Series 10 too. And that is we could be getting a redesigned version of watchOS. Now, what I would be saying, there could be some special features just designed for the Apple Watch Series 11, but it will be in the new design that we've been hearing about. This is this new kind of glass effect sort of design. We've been hearing that iOS 19 and iPadOS 19 is going to get this. It's very similar, like I said, to visionOS, and that this will be coming along to the Series 11 out of the box straight away on day one. And then something else what could happen for the fifth and final upgrade is that we've also been told that there could be a new AI health coach for the Series 11 to work alongside, say, your iPhone, or to work, say, along your iPad or even Apple TV. And this will help and monitor your health and get your fitness goals absolutely perfected the way you want to get them. And you can actually tell the AI model how you want to actually be. So if you want to do more cardio, it will instruct you what kind of cardio bits and pieces to do. If you want to build up muscle, it will also teach you that too. And this looks really exciting to see. And obviously this could be exclusive to the Apple Watch Series 11 when it does come out on its release. But really, guys, that is the latest and greatest we've heard about the Apple Watch Series 11. Are you excited for it? Are you going to get one when it comes out? Well, let me know in the comments below. And with that as well, guys, it's time to wrap up the video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.